Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing. We still love you, everybody.
Waffle doggy, waffle doggy, waffle doggy. You're such a clever dog, you're such a clever dog, you are. Oh, 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 oh.
It was Christmas Eve, our first ever Brooklyn Bell Christmas, together with Waffle the Wonder Dog.
There.
It's perfect! Evie, Doug, Waffle, come and see the Christmas tree!
Oh, yeah, great! Coming!
What do you think of this?
Oh, wow!
Wow!
It's great!
And the brand new Brooklyn Bell Santa. Ready?
Oh, Merry Christmas, everyone!
Merry Christmas!
Christmas? What's that?
Waffle, this is Christmas.
Yes, exactly, it's this. It's decorating the house and wearing our lovely Gramps' knitted jumpers and decorating the tree. Singing
Yeah.
songs.
Singing songs like, we woof you a doggy Christmas, we woof you a doggy Christmas, we woof you a doggy Christmas, and a woof woof New Year.
Right. Come on, everyone. More tinsel!
We woof you a doggy Christmas, we woof you a doggy Christmas, we woof you a doggy Christmas.
The noise down in there! Merry Christmas Eve to you too, Mrs. Hobbs. What is it, Waffle?
Sing song? Hot Bobs?
Yeah, good idea. Let's sing our Christmas song to Mrs. Hobbs to wish her a happy Christmas too.
Right, is everyone ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. We woof you a doggy Christmas, we woof you a doggy Christmas, we woof you a doggy Christmas, and a New Year.
Stop!
Thank you. But a happy, catty, quiet Christmas is what I want. As you're here, I've got presents for you all.
Presents?
Even you, Waffle, so you better come in.
Presents? Presents?
Oh, wow. Look at that. Hi, George. They're in here somewhere. Let me see.
I've never seen a cat Christmas tree before.
Oh, I decorate it like this every year. And Georgie climbs around like the perfect pussycat Santa that he is. Now, I put these presents somewhere. Georgie and I love Christmas. Just the two of us. It's our Christmas tradition.
What's a Christmas tradition?
Oh, well, Evie, a tradition is something that's traditional and, well, I don't, you explain it, Doug.
A Christmas tradition is something that you do for Christmas every year.
Yes, like decorating the tree and singing Christmas songs.
And eating Dad's Christmas Eve cheesecake.
Yeah, my Christmas Eve cheesecake is definitely a Christmas tradition.
Oh, here they are.
Your presents.
Sparkly bag.
Wow, look at this.
Yes, there you are.
Thank you.
Wow,
see the boys?
Mrs. Hobbs.
Thank you so much.
Brooklyn Bell.
Thank you, Mrs. Hobbs. Oh, wobbly cats.
And I hope they put a little bit of lovely pussycat into your otherwise doggy Christmas. Now, for Waffle, here's a new lead and harness. Hopefully keep Waffle out of trouble during the festivities.
Oh, thanks, Hot Bobs.
Thank you so much, Mrs.
You're welcome.
Very kind.
Off you all go now.
Right,
And leave
yep.
George and me to our traditional catty Christmas.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Mrs.
you.
Hobbs.
Bye, Hot Bobs.
Mum, I think we should have got a present for Mrs. Hobbs, but we didn't.
You're right, Evie.
Cheesy cake.
Pardon?
Cheesy cake hot bobs.
Oh, that's a great idea, Waffle.
Thanks.
Yeah, Mrs. Hobbs can come and share some of Dad's Christmas Eve cheesecake with us. George too.
That's a lovely idea.
Go now, let's go.
Come on then. Mrs. Hobbs! Hello? Sorry, Mrs. Hobbs!
Mrs. Hobbs, sorry.
Mrs. Hobbs! Hi!
Sorry.
Mrs. Hobbs,
Hi.
please come and share some Christmas cheesecake with George and us. Look, it could be the start of a new Christmas tradition for you.
It was Waffle's idea.
Cheesy cake.
Please come and be our cheesecake guest.
Cheesecake, you say?
It'll be one of my best this year, Mrs. Hobbs.
Oh, yes, you're probably right, George. We're probably far too busy, what with all our Christmas Eve traditions to be getting on with. So, if you don't mind...
But we would love you too, Mrs. Hobbs, if you could.
Well, think about it, Evie. Happy Christmas, Brooklyn Bells.
Oh, yum. Cheesy
That's it.
cake.
Keep it going. Oh, Waffle, it's
So,
not for you.
while Mrs. Hobbs thought about it, we hoped the smell of our cheesecake baking would tempt her to come round.
Merry Christmas to the Brooklyn Bells! Oh, look, I really like your new sparkly harness and lead, Waffle.
Hot Bob's gift.
It goes perfectly with that Christmas sweater I made for you.
Thanks, Gramps.
Anyway, I've just popped over on my way home from a traditional Christmas carol concert.
And a waffle doggy in a pear tree.
Hey, nice headgear, everybody.
Oh, yeah.
We got them as a present from Mrs. Hobbs.
Oh, that's very kind. And that reminds me. Ta-da! I brought something for you all too. Look at these. Yes, so look, I made one of these for all of you. A new stocking for a new family. One for Evie, one for Doug, one for Simon, and one for Jessica.
Thank you so much.
Merry
Brilliant,
Christmas.
very fine.
Oh, and this one is especially for you, Waffle. Who plays it too?
We wish you a doggy Christmas and a woof woof New Year.
Thanks, Gramps.
Amazing.
What is it?
Well, it's your Christmas stocking, Waffle. It's ready for Santa to put your present in.
Eh? Santa?
Waffle, you've got a lot to learn about Christmas.
Well, how about you two go upstairs, hang up your stockings, so you can tell Waffle all about Santa.
Yeah, and then it'll be time for cheesecake.
Oh, Christmas cheesecake!
Dad, I've done the cross.
Right, thank you for saying that. Well done.
All right, see you in a minute.
Come on, Waffle.
Come on, Waffle. You see the red toy at the top of the tree there?
Uh-huh.
That's what Santa looks like.
Hello, Santa.
And when I press the remote... That's what he always says. Ho, ho, ho.
Waffle, follow us upstairs. Come on, Dad. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, 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 Santa. Huh? Santa? Huh? Santa Bunny!
We told Waffle all about Santa and the presents he puts in stockings.
We're putting up our stockings, look.
Stockings?
And how the elves help wrap up all the presents.
Hey, Evie, I'm hanging your stocking here.
Okay, come on, Waffle. And this is where Santa flies through the sky on his sleigh.
It's pulled by reindeer and piled high with presents for children and good dogs all around the world.
Now, this is your stocking, Waffle.
Right here next to your box bed, ready for Santa.
I love Santa, Waffle.
Oh, Waffle meets Santa.
No, sorry, Waffle. He's too busy delivering presents on Christmas Eve.
Oh, why?
Oh, it's just a tradition, Waffle.
Evie, Doug, Waffle, guess what? Mrs. Hobbs is here.
Come on, Waffle.
So you can.
Hello, yes. Well, the baking smelled delicious.
Happy Christmas Eve!
Oh, hello, Derek. Have I missed the cheesecake?
No, it's right here, Mrs. Hobbs.
Hop ups!
Out of the way.
I'm all right. Oh, I really am okay.
Oops. New lead. Sorry. Cheesy cake? Tasty?
tasty.
You should try it.
Mrs. Hobbs, let's have a look at you.
That's actually a great idea, Mrs. Hobbs. What's the point standing on ceremony when, you know, we're all friends and family here? Let's just dug in.
Oh, right, yeah. What a good idea. Oh,
Yummy.
Delicious.
I think this should be a Brooklyn Bell Hobbs Christmas Eve tradition.
Not forgetting the lovely pet cheesecakes for you. There you go, Georgie. You waffle. Come on then. Get stuck in.
sorry.
Later that night,
We wish you a doggy Christmas and a woof woof New Year. We wish you a doggy Christmas and a woof woof New Year. We wish you a doggy Christmas and a woof woof New Year. We wish you a doggy Christmas and a woof woof New Year. We wish you a doggy Christmas and a woof woof New Year.
where are you?
And a woof woof New Year.
Our wonderful waffle didn't stick to Christmas traditions. Santa?
Happy Christmas Eve!
Waffle?
Happy Christmas Eve! Merry Christmas!
Waffle met Santa!
Merry Christmas!
And a very happy doggy woof woof Christmas to Wonder Dogs everywhere. Happy Christmas, Waffle, a Wonder Dog.